Want a business that grows itself? Goat farming is your profit machine in the backyard. Start with 5 females and 1 male. That is a 60,000 to 70,000 rupee investment. In 1 year, they give 10 to 12 kids. Sell grown kids after 10 to 12 months for meat or breed. Total revenue, up to 2 lakh rupees per year, just from 10 goats. Only a small shed and open space needed. Feed, use kitchen waste, tree leaves and agricultural byproducts. Bonus, some breeds also give milk, sold at 40 to 60 rupees per litre locally. Comment goat to get a free guide on goat farming. Subscribe to Nirvana, Akamp, Nivesh, where your village turns profitable.